Poland, a country rich in history and culture, offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. From medieval castles to vibrant cities, stunning landscapes to delicious cuisine, Poland has something for everyone. Warsaw, the capital city, Warsaw, is a fascinating blend of old and new. Explore the historic Old Town, visit the Royal Castle, and wander through the vibrant streets of the city center. Kraków, a medieval city with a charming old town, Kraków is one of Poland's most popular tourist destinations. Visit the Wawel Castle, explore the historic main market square, and take a trip to the nearby Wieliczka salt mine. Gdansk, a historic port city on the Baltic Sea, Gdansk is known for its beautiful architecture, maritime history, and vibrant culture. Wrocław, a charming city with colorful houses, bridges, and canals, Wrocław is often called the Polish Venice. Tatra Mountains, Poland's highest mountain range, the Tatra Mountains offer stunning scenery, hiking trails, and winter sports opportunities. Masurian Lake District, a region of picturesque lakes, forests, and charming towns, perfect for boating, fishing, and relaxing. Our ride today is straight to Kraków. We will mention all the information about the city of Kraków in the video. Kraków, one of the oldest cities in Poland, consistently attracts travelers from all over the world with its rich history, magnificent architecture and unique atmosphere. This city, the former capital of Poland, has retained its medieval charm and offers tourists many interesting places and activities. The heart of Kraków is the main market square, one of the largest medieval squares in Europe. Surrounded by colorful houses and Gothic buildings, the square is the center of city life. Here you can visit the Cloth Hall, which today houses souvenir shops and cafes, and admire the beauty of St. Mary's Basilica. Royal Wawel, a hill towering over the city, is a symbol of Polish statehood. The Royal Castle, the residence of Polish kings, and the Wawel Cathedral are located here. You can explore the castle's luxurious halls, admire the treasures of the royal treasury, and visit the cathedral, where the remains of many Polish monarchs rest. Kazimierz, the former Jewish quarter of Kraków, is today one of the most vibrant and creative areas of the city. Here you will find many bars, restaurants, galleries and shops. Don't forget to visit the old synagogue and the Jewish Museum of Galicia. The Wieliczka salt mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the most amazing places in Poland. You will go deep underground and see underground lakes, salt sculptures and chapels carved into the salt. What else to see and do in Kraków? Auschwitz-Birkenau, visiting the former German concentration camp is a major historical experience. Barbican, a medieval fortification that has survived to this day. St. Florian's Church, a Gothic church that is one of the symbols of Kraków. Invalides Square, a park located around the old city fortifications. Kraków cuisine is famous for its delicious and hearty dishes. Be sure to try pies, dumplings with various fillings. Bigos, stewed cabbage with meat and sausage. Obwarok, beef soup with vegetables. When is the best time to visit Kraków? Kraków is beautiful at any time of year. In the summer it is warm and sunny, in the autumn the city is covered in golden colors, in the winter you can go ice skating on a frozen lake, and in the spring you can enjoy the blooming gardens. Kraków is a city that wins your heart at first sight. Its rich history, cultural diversity and hospitable people make it one of the most attractive tourist destinations in Europe. Kraków, a city steeped in history and culture, offers a plethora of attractions for visitors. Here are some of the top things to see and do. Main Market Square, Rynek Główny, the heart of Krakow's old town. This bustling square is surrounded by colorful buildings, including the Cloth Hall, Sukienice, and St. Mary's Basilica. Wawel Hill, home to the Wawel Royal Castle and Cathedral, this hill offers stunning views of the city. Kazimierz, the former Jewish quarter, now a vibrant district with trendy bars, restaurants, and galleries. Wieliczka salt mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this underground salt mine is a fascinating place to explore. Kraków, a city steeped in history, offers a delightful culinary experience. Here are some of the must-try dishes. Traditional Polish delicacies pierogi, these delicious dumplings come in various fillings, such as meat, cheese, and sauerkraut. Bigos, a hearty stew made with sauerkraut, various meats, and mushrooms. Zurich, a sour rye soup with sausage and vegetables. Kielbasa, a variety of Polish sausages, often grilled or boiled. Obłazanek krakowski, a unique type of pretzel, often topped with salt, poppy seeds, or sesame seeds. Kraków offers a vibrant nightlife scene, catering to various tastes and preferences. Here are some of the popular nightlife districts and venues. Singer, a classic bar with a great atmosphere and live music. Alchemia, a popular bar with a bohemian vibe, often hosting live music and art exhibitions. Prozac 2.0, a trendy club with a mix of electronic and pop music. Club Studio, a legendary club with a diverse music scene, from rock to electronic. Shine Club, a luxurious club with multiple dance floors and VIP areas. Pijalnia Wodki I Piwa, a popular chain of bars offering a wide selection of Polish vodka and beer. Tita Cubano, a lively club with Latin American music and dance. La Playa Beach Club and Bar, a beach-themed club with a pool and outdoor terrace. Club Pod Jasierka, a cozy bar with live music and a relaxed atmosphere. Winter in Kraków offers a unique charm, with the city blanketed in snow and adorned with festive lights. Here's what you can expect. Christmas markets. Immerse yourself in the festive atmosphere of Krakow's Christmas markets, where you can find traditional crafts, delicious treats, and mulled wine. Snowy landscapes. The city Kraków historic buildings and picturesque streets are even more enchanting when covered in snow. Ice skating. Enjoy ice skating at the rink in Jordan Park. Museums and galleries. Explore the city's rich history and culture at museums like the National Museum, the Wawel Castle, and the Schindler's Factory Museum. Cozy cafes and restaurants. Warm up with a hot drink and delicious Polish cuisine in one of Krakow's many cozy cafes and restaurants. Underground tours. Discover the hidden depths of Kraków with tours of the Rynek Underground Museum. By embracing the winter wonderland of Kraków, you can experience a truly magical and unforgettable trip. Kraków is generally more affordable than many Western European cities. However, the cost of living can vary depending on your lifestyle and location. Overall, Kraków offers a great quality of life, with a balance of history, culture, and modern amenities. It's a city that appeals to students, expats, and digital nomads alike.